Hey guys, it's Kiki Garcia from Mental Mosaic, and I very much believe that you need to get away for a few days sometimes and recharge yourself, and that's all a part of self care. I'm going on a trip next week, and I wanted to go over what I pack with me because even though it is a few days to relax. I do not think you should relax on your skincare. I think that's way too important. So, I'm going to go over some tips and tricks I've learned along the way and share them with you. So, first of all, I got this very nice makeup bag, and we're going to talk more about it later. But this was from Ulta, and it came with some goodies inside. So, it's a good size. It's perfect, actually. And here's what I do. First of all, I always start off with a headband for when I'm washing my face, and a scissor. I actually have a bunch of these little scissors that I put in all of my makeup bags because you never know when you're going to need to open something, maybe take a tag off of something. And I have another thing I'll show you later as well. And I always bring one of these little mini spatulas because I think that's important too. So let's start off with skincare. So what I do is I kind of pay attention to my routine. I go over it in my head and I think about what I'm going to need. So the scissors that I brought are going to come in handy because I have these. These are little sample sizes of the serum from Elizabeth Arden, and you just cut the little top off of that little pouch, and you put it on your hand and spread it around your face. So that's why we need the scissors. Okay. I also have night cream. So this would be my last step right before I go to sleep. Of course, my cleanser. I also have a Supergoop sunscreen because you cannot forget your sunscreen no matter what you do. A little All About Eyes from Clinique. I also have my lip balm, All About Lips from Clinique as well. I'm a Clinique girl. I also bring this with me. This is an exfoliator as well. Sometimes I use that in the shower, so I always bring a little bit with me in case. And I have my Take the Day Off from Clinique. That is for your face makeup. And then I have Take the Day Off Eyes and Lips that I bring with me as well. Now, I try to bring at least 3 of these, and these are shampoo and conditioners, okay? So you're probably saying to yourself, Kiki, where do you get all these little products from, right? This is what I do. Every time Ulta has one of these get a free gift with a purchase of $60. Usually it comes in a bag just like this one, and it comes filled with sample size goodies. Well, I collect all of those sample size goodies, and that's what I use when I go on vacation. So I don't have to worry about, first of all, TSA, because they're all the right size. I don't have to worry about bringing a full-size bottle. I mean, can you imagine bringing a full-size bottle of Genifique from Lancome and something happens on the plane and it breaks? That would be absolutely heartbreaking. So that's why I always, every time Ulta sends me something, oh, I think I just got something this morning, a 29-piece kit comes with a $70 purchase. I'm going to buy things from Ulta anyway, so I might as well get the free gift that goes along with it. Okay, so let's continue on. So I have these Renergie Lancome. These are, of course, moisturizers, and it comes with a little eye cream as well. This eye cream really doesn't last me but a day, so that's why I always bring extra, but I love these. And then you know what's so great about it? You use it up, you throw it away. You don't have to bring it back home again, so that's always a good thing. I always make sure I have some Pepto-Bismol with me because you never know. You get vacation stomach, right? Another great thing are these little samples of perfume. And that, again, comes in these bags. And I always bring probably 3 different scents just to have. You never know what you're going to be in the mood for. Now, I brought that little spatula, right? What's that for? It's for my bum bum cream, of course. You got to have lotion to put on after you take a shower. So I just scoop it out with this and I'm good to go. Then I don't have to get it underneath my nails because the ladies who have the tips out there know it's not good. I also have a little setting spray that I had gotten as well. Another little perfume just in case, a little extra shampoo. I always bring like one extra shampoo, one extra shower gel as well because you never know what's going to happen. You never know. Witch hazel, this nice bottle. This is a little bigger than I normally bring, but it is 3 ounces, so it is going to get through TSA. If I don't pack this in my bag, I don't have to worry. I also have a little extra serum because I don't think I have enough. I always plan for 4 days, so I pack enough in here for 4 days. One of my favorite things to do when I'm on vacation is having kind of a spa night on the first night that I get to my room. So I bring a hand mask, I bring a face mask, and I also bring some eye masks. And I usually have a foot mask too. I must be out because I don't see one in my bag. And then one more thing I'm going to show you. I also have these from Vitabath, which I absolutely love. These are little samples that I had gotten, and I just grabbed like 4 of those and put those in there as well. So now I got everything I need, and then I just, in my head, think about what I do every day on a normal basis, and everything I need is in there, so it's perfect. And then you're probably thinking, well, what about your teeth? Well, I actually have a separate bag for that. Some underarm deodorant. I always use spray when I'm on vacation. I don't know why. And I have my toothbrush, toothpaste, some flossers as well. I always bring an extra toothbrush as well. And my mouth guards because, that's important. And I absolutely love these little bottles. They're so super cute of mouthwash. And I get those at Target. So it's super easy. And can't forget the Excedrin PM because you never know when you're going to get a headache, or sometimes when you're in a hotel you can't really sleep so well, so I always take one of those and have those with me. So see, it's super simple to keep up your routine. You could bring everything with you, and you can even bring all of this onto the plane. I don't think I have anything that's over 3 ounces. So all of this could actually go in my carry-on, and then I don't have to worry at all. I always have it with me. All right. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, definitely let me know. I do love to pack for trips, so if you ever need help, Kiki's your girl.